Join me as I dive into the world of programming to find out what the scariest error message really is, and I'll be trying to recreate it live. Error messages, we've all been there. You're working on a project, coding away, when suddenly your screen freezes and an ominous message appears. Some error messages are harmless, but others can be downright terrifying. Programmers live with the constant fear of unexpected error messages. You've spent hours, maybe even days, working on a project, and then suddenly your computer crashes. Your heart sinks as you think about all the work you might lose, or worse, your entire project getting corrupted. Those moments of panic are all too real. A single mistake can bring down an entire system. Even seasoned developers aren't immune to these freakouts. I've talked to plenty of pros who've had their work ruined by a single error message. Infamous error messages like the blue screen of death or segmentation faults are enough to give anyone nightmares. I recall a friend who once encountered a blue screen of death while working on a critical project deadline. He had to restart his computer, only to find that his work was gone. The error 404, or out-of-memory errors, might seem harmless, but they can wreak havoc on your workflow. A colleague once spent hours trying to troubleshoot a memory error, only to realize it was due to a simple code typo. The scariest error message, though, often comes down to personal experience. For many, it's the Aura 6512, a database error that can be super tricky to debug. Others might say it's the segmentation fault, an error that can occur when your code tries to access a restricted area of memory. What makes these errors so scary is the uncertainty they bring. Will you be able to recover your work, or is it gone forever? The anxiety is real. Understanding these errors, though, is crucial. They might seem intimidating, but once you grasp what causes them, you can take steps to prevent them. If you've ever encountered a scary error message, share your story with me in the comments below. Have you ever lost work due to an error? What was it? I'd love to hear about it. If you have other programming topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, let me know.